welcome back to the Welsh Gardener. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your own broad beans. You're going to need some broad bean seeds and one of these, a dibber. If you haven't got one of these, then don't worry, you can use your finger or you can use any other sort of thing like a stick that will make a hole big enough for the seed. Now, you don't have to do this, but you can use something straight like an old pipe or a bamboo cane. Just press and make an indentation just to show you where a straight line will be, and then you can make sure you get the right distance between each row. So as you can see here, I've got my straight line that I made with my pipe. So now you're just going to get a dibber and make a hole about 2 inches deep. I like to do it. You make each one about 6 inches apart, and your hand like this is about 6 inches. Your dibber to put every hole every 6 inches. I've done 2 rows because I'm doing succession planting, so I'm doing 2 rows every few weeks. So I've done 2 rows, each hole 6 inches apart, and each row should be about 1 foot apart. So now you've got that, you need to get some broad bean seeds, and these I harvested last year from my broad beans. So you just put 1 in each hole and then you sprinkle over the soil. You do that for each hole. So now that you've planted all of your broad bean seeds, now is a good time for you to put some sticks or rocks in, or labels at the end of each row to tell you what's there, or just that there is something there. And if you are writing down on a label what's there, then you can write down what day you planted them, because then you can see how long it took for them to germinate. So I'm just getting some pieces of wood that were lying about. I'm going to put them here into the soil where my row is. Actually, it's there, and then put it in the wrong place there. Let me find something else. So I found something else that you could use. You could use a long rock. I use a lot of long rocks to show the. So here again, there, you just put it in like that. Take this time now as well to show you all of the stuff that I've got growing at the moment in the garden. So here I've got some mesh, which is held up by some sticks with some old small pots on, which was a tip I got from Veg in One Bed, Hugh's new book. If you haven't got it already, then you can look at the link in his bio on his Instagram. So yeah, in here there's some mustard leaves coming up in the first row bit here. You can't really see it through there. But then you've also got the lettuce seedlings that I started off in my cold frame. They're doing really well. I put 1 row in, so I need to put some more rows out now. And I've also got spring onions and radishes planted, but they haven't germinated yet. So if you look in there, that's my lettuce seedlings. So I've also got lettuce seedlings in my makeshift cold frame here. And I've put those red bricks in because they retain the heat and they release it at night then, so that it's always hotter in there. And there, that's just some weeds growing because it's a bit cold for the tomatoes to germinate at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, then please go down and subscribe. Also like this video and comment to tell me that you enjoyed it. If there's any tips you'd have to improve on my next video, then I'd love to hear them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.